The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses just got some cool new AI features. Meta has enhanced these photo-taking smart glasses by adding new AI capabilities and a video calling option, all of which are currently being tested out in a beta version available to everyone. They've also rolled out a new style for the frames. The AI in these glasses taps into the cameras to help you out by identifying what you're looking at. It can recognize objects, tell you about landmarks, and even translate languages when you're traveling. Plus, it can suggest outfits from your closet. Now, in a market where AI gadgets are really heating up, these glasses aim to stand out by using visual data to offer services. This could be a smoother way to interact compared to other gadgets like the Humane AI Pin, which has had some criticism for being clunky. With the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, you just talk to them, and the glasses talk right back to you through their built-in speakers. These updates add to the existing features of the glasses, which are already great for snapping high-quality photos and videos with ease. The new video calling feature works with popular apps like WhatsApp and Messenger, letting you share what you're seeing right through the glasses during calls. This feature could be really fun for showing live events or even just everyday things like what you're picking up at the grocery store. Meta and Ray-Ban have also introduced some new choices for customizing your glasses on the Ray-Ban Remix platform. There are new cat-eye skyler frames and more color options for both lenses and frames. They've even added a low bridge option to make the glasses fit better on more face types. The company knows there's still room to perfect these AI features, so they're keeping them in beta for now, acknowledging that the AI might not always get it right. But even if the AI isn't perfect, the glasses have plenty of other uses that make them a worthwhile gadget. All right, now moving from smart glasses to smart software, Adobe's not holding back either. They've just rolled out a fresh update for Photoshop, which is also still in beta. This update introduces some really advanced AI-driven tools, and it's all part of Adobe's bigger plan to pump up their creative tools with generative AI. And this time it's the Firefly Image 3 Foundation model leading the charge. This new version of Firefly includes a souped-up feature called Generative Fill with Reference Image, which hands more creative power to users, essentially providing them with superpowers. Since Firefly first launched, it's been used to create over 7 billion images, proving it's not just popular but also a crucial part of Photoshop's toolkit. Adobe is weaving Firefly deeper into the Creative Cloud fabric too. It's now part of InDesign with the new text-to-image feature, which is all about making print and digital publishing a breeze. This shows Adobe's keen on making their tools work harder and smarter across all kinds of media. The latest update to Photoshop is packed with new AI-powered features like Generate Image, which practically eliminates the gap between staring at a blank page and whipping up eye-catching content. These tools are designed to be easy to use, opening up professional-grade creativity to anyone, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. Adobe's also thinking big for corporate users. They've introduced new features for enterprises, designed to help large teams unleash the potential of generative AI quickly and consistently. With tools like object composites and style kits available in Adobe's Creative Cloud for Enterprise, companies can create top-notch visual content and uniform AI-driven designs faster than ever. All in all, Adobe's latest updates are setting the stage for a new wave of creativity and efficiency, transforming what digital media creation looks like across the board. Whether tweaking an image in Photoshop or crafting detailed designs in InDesign, these tools are becoming indispensable for creatives everywhere. All right, now, switching gears to AI platforms, OpenAI is going the extra mile with its latest upgrades tailored for businesses. They've rolled out new features for their API that enhance security, give better administrative control, boost the Assistant's API, and offer more ways to manage costs efficiently. This update adds some robust tools designed with API customers in mind. For starters, there's Private Link, which ensures secure connections between Azure and OpenAI. They've also rolled out native multi-factor authentication to beef up access control, and a neat projects feature that lets businesses keep a tight rein on individual projects. The Assistant's API got a nice polish too. It now has better retrieval capabilities with file_search, support for streaming which allows for real-time responses, and new vector_store objects that simplify file management and billing. To make it easier on the budget, OpenAI is now offering discounted rates for those who commit to using a certain amount of throughput on GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo. There's also a cost cut for asynchronous tasks via their new Batch API. OpenAI's client list reads like a who's who of major companies, like Morgan Stanley, Salesforce, and Stripe, showing that they're a big player in helping enterprises integrate AI smoothly and securely. They've also got plans to keep beefing up their features that focus on enterprise-grade security and cost management. Additionally, they've introduced something called an instruction hierarchy to keep their language models safe from things like prompt injections and jailbreaks. This new setup ensures that if the system gets conflicting instructions, it prioritizes the more important ones, boosting both safety and reliability by ignoring any that don't align with the main objectives, preventing potential misuse. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.